But they did have a nickname, it's not a battle bus, armoured taxi, all the rest of the stuff. All the nice power slide. So you see the gentleman standing up at the back. So when they were sort of maybe out patrol and stuff like that, they would have some kind of air cover out the back, so you could have more eyes around. And you'll see the enemy head down long enough, so the infantry on the ground to find some cover and start laying fire down. Now, they, like my colleague said, they've been in service for nearly 30 years. They are still retired, and there's a big AIFV, which is going to take place, which is still coming towards the end of its sort of development. So these will be retired very, very soon from the British Army. Now, the British Army is still using Rifles that's doing the show circuit, and this is their first show. So you'll see the markings on the back, the 55 Alpha, and you will see a name on the side of it, which is Fallen Rifleman. So this is in honour of the Rifles Regiment. Basically lost nearly 60 people in Afghanistan. So it's kind of a testament to their sacrifice. And they painted that this morning, just to say that, guys, thank you, we are remembering you. So the gentleman that's driving it, he used to be the Rifles, so he knows all about the sacrifice and all the pain and suffering that that regiment has gone through. And he does collect for a charity as well. He did tell me, but for the last day I can't remember. But you all know where the warrior sits. Go over. And it's all ex-servicemen and serving. So you've got, there you go, you can stick the back door up and touching there again. Now the major upgrade is the 432, which is the putting in reverse and taking gear as you're coming back, which would probably be quite disconcerting really. But when you've got a commander in the top seeing you backwards, you can literally go anywhere. So they can get out of trouble just as quick as they can get into trouble. Now the reason they can go fast backwards is because basically if they're dropping troops on them and going back to pick up troops, oh, is he going to do a neutral? Yeah. There you go. So that's what they call a neutral turn. So the driver basically selects which gearbox